Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Toyota CHR Excel. This car comes with the hybrid 1.8 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which produces 120 brake horsepower and returns up to a very impressive 56 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 24,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is the Eclipse black and it's in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. And as we have a look inside, you've got the equally clean interior, and being the Xcel, the car comes with a very high level of features. The seats are leather and the front seats are also heated. There's an armrest in the centre there for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, cruise control just down there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers. Just down here by your knee, you've also got the button there for your heated steering wheel, so that'd be nice for the winter months. And then on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Opening the rear doors is done by this clever hidden handle in the door, and you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has three individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.